welcome to my baking channel. Today we are going to make the world's easiest no-knead bread. So let's check out what ingredients do we need. For making a bread, you will need bread flours. If you haven't got bread flour, all-purpose flour is also okay. And we have water, yeast, and salt. It's really easy. We only need 4 ingredients. And here is the big mixing bowl. After, we're going to put all the ingredients into this mixing bowl and really simply give it a shape before we are going to bake it. Okay? Don't forget about this one. Scales is really important when you're going to bake anything. It is very useful. So let's start making the bread. Now we are going to mix all the ingredients together. Just slowly add your water.
See me as your enemy, or see me as your friend. It is 19 months since I was there and held you in my hand. It is 18 since I told you, and you took away my name. Now when you saw me, you turned away your head. You won't forgive me, and I will understand now and then.
After, you should get the same sticky dough as I do here. So just slowly add a little bit flour and spread some flowers on the surface of your dough, and then just simply give it a nice massage until the dough is dry enough to give it a nice shape. You might end up having a sticky fingers like I do here, but everything's okay. And this is how your dough supposed to look like after you give it a small massage. And then we're just gonna let the dough sit in this container, and we'll put a wet cloth on top of this to cover it, and then let it sit for 2 to 3 hours, and then we'll come back and see what the dough is like by then. Okay, this is after 2.5 hours, and let's take a look of this dough and see how it changed. Okay, so right now you see this dough, right? It's really sticky. Okay, so that's the kind of dough we wanted. Preheat your oven to 230 degrees, and we are going to put this dough into another oven baking bowls. Okay, now cover the top. Okay, we're ready to bake. We are going to bake it for 35 minutes, and then we take it out, take the lid, and then we do another 10 minutes just to color the top. So we'll come back after 35 minutes. Okay, after 30 minutes, let's open the lid. Let's see what's inside. You have to be really careful because this is really hot. Ta-da! But don't forget that we have to do another 10 to 15 minutes to let it color more on the top of the bread. So we'll come back. Once you take it out of the oven, you can hear the sound is really hard. That means your bread is completely baked.